For today's video, I'm gonna talk about skincare for dull or dry skin. Skin that needs a little bit help after using rejuvenation or after using rejuvenation set. Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. So oh my god, I am so very much happy and excited to share this video with you because it has been like a year now since I posted a sit-in video. Let's do it. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about skincare products that help dry Look at me! Nabubulol na ako. Skincare for dry or dull skin. So before, I had a very bad breakout last December to January this year. So December 2019 to January. What year is that? No, sorry, erase. So December 2020 to January 2021, I had a really bad breakout, and I will show you the photos, of course. And of course, I have posted a video or a TikTok video of that one, my skin from before and after I use the products that I will be sharing with you tonight. So tonight na kay 6 naman din. Is after I posted that video, some of you has been asking me what product that I use, and I also of course replied to you what products that I use, and I posted a separate video of the products that I used. And this video is more like a detailed explanation on why it helped my skin. Be sharing with you the tips that I use based on my experience on how I was able to choose the right products that help my skin. So that helps my skin get better. Oh my god, mura kong na-emotional kay ano ba? Pero kung na-emotional bitaw kay ano, dugay na kay wala na mag-sit-in video. I'm very much happy because nag-sit-in video na sa ko. Sing balik. So muna siya. You wanna know about that one? Just keep on watching. Tip number 1. So know what your skin needs. I know it's given that we always look for products kung ano yung need ng skin natin. But just want to remind you, that's why I put it on tip number 1. It's like more of a reminder as well that listen to your skin. So they will tell you talaga kung ano yung need ng skin mo. Tip number 2 is know what is your skin type para alam mo kung ano yung mga product na gagamitin mo. For me, before when I was in the Philippines, my skin type is normal. But when I got here, because I had breakout, it might be because the weather is a big factor as well. Might be, ayun, kaya nag-acne, nag-dry yung skin ko. So, nag-change yung skin type ko. And it became acne prone and very sensitive and very dry yung skin ko. Nakita ko rin sa vlog or sa YouTube video ni Chris Oy that our skin type changes over time daw. So kaya yun. Number 3 is find a product kung ano yung skin type mo at saka yung ano yung skincare needs mo. So combine mo siya and then use that product to help your skin. So with me on this portion, I'm gonna share with you the products that I use to help my skin get better. First product that I use is the CERAVE cleanser. It's not a foaming cleanser, and I really like that one because when you put it in your hand, on your palm, hindi siya nagfo-foam. And pag nilagay mo, para siyang moisturizer. And when you wash your face, hindi siya squeaky clean yung feeling niya. Pag wash mo, para mafe-feel mo talaga na soft and moisturized yung face mo. So you'll know that hindi siya nagsi-strip off ng moisture from your skin. CERAVE product has a ceramide, and we all know that ceramide helps with our skin barrier. And nag-rejuve ako for 2 months, I think. And while using rejuvenating set that time, hindi talaga nag-heal yung skin ko at naging very sensitive na siya and nasira yung skin barrier ko. CERAVE cleanser really did a big help. First step pa lang yan ng skincare ko, and I know it really helped my skin. Another ingredient that the CERAVE has is the hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid elevates dry skin and it also helps speeds in healing process. So, second product that I use is a separate hyaluronic acid. I know yung CERAVE ko is merong hyaluronic, but I really use a separate hyaluronic acid which is from INKYLIST. A friend of mine taught me na pag gumamit ka daw ng hyaluronic acid, after mo mag-wash ng face mo, hindi mo siya i-dry na dry yung yung i-dry talaga sa skin mo. But what you need to do is i-tap lang dry na at least meron pa siyang moisture from the water, and then you put the hyaluronic acid and it will lock in the moisture. Ayun. The third product that I use is the PYUNG toner. It's an essence toner. It's a Korean skincare product. Meron siya ingredients. Very simplified yung ingredient na. And the main ingredient niya is, it's a root extract. I will just put it here because I cannot pronounce it well. That will help with the wound healing. PYUNG toner helps improve in skin healing along with anti-scar effect. Diba? So, anti-scar effect and reduces inflammation and provides antioxidant. So, yun ang PYUNG toner. So, imagine 3 products that 3 products sa paggamit ko. I know that it really is the right product for my skin kasi tugmang-tugma siya sa kung ano yung kailangan ng skin. So, next product that I use is the serum. So, after toner, I use the serum, and that is the UNIK Propolis Synergy Serum. So, it's still a Korean product. And that serum help reduces redness. So, meron na sa dry, meron na sa acne, meron na sa wound healing, at meron na din sa redness. So, it also helps reduces irritation caused by acne. The last product that I use is the moisturizer, which is, I still have it here, is the Urea Repair. Diba? EUCERIN Urea Repair, and it is for dry skin. As we all know, urea is normally produced by our skin, and at that time, I really had a bad breakout. It really damaged my skin barrier. So, kaya yun, nag-dry siya, lahat na. Moisturizer to lock in everything that I use. So, everything that I put on my skin, ito na nang naglalak lahat. And it's still a moisture, to help as well the dry skin. You can see ito lang yung hindi natapon ko kasi mga last week lang ito naubos ko. So I've been using this for 6 months sa isang tub na to. 6 months ko to siyang nagamit, imagine. Ayun, ubos na talaga siya, see? Ubos na talaga siya. So you'll know that I really use this product and I really love this product. How Urea works. Wait, I have a código here. Wait. So, Urea provides hydration to smooth skin texture and by helping to reduce buildup of dead skin cells. So, ayun, yun ang gamit ng Urea. And of course, in the morning, I use a sunscreen. So, nandito yung sunscreen ko. Ito yung ginagamit ko na sunscreen. This is the LA-ROCHE POSAY. I don't know if I pronounce it right. If I'm wrong, just comment below anong tamang pronunciation nito. So, it's SPF 50+. So, I like this one because it's very lightweight sa skin. Kasi meron akong mga ginagamit na product na it might be sensitive to the sun and prevent din ng mga dark spots or yung mga spots sa skin due to sun. And I've been using this until now. I bought this February ko to nabili, mga February ko to nabili until now. Meron pa siyang laman. Guys, my skin is not perfect. I'm telling you, I still have dark spots here and here. But at least I managed to resolve my acne. Now I am moving forward to another type of set of skincare. If you found this video very helpful, please consider subscribing and like this video and comment down below. And if you have tried using this product, I would very love to hear your comments or your feedback about the product as well. So, para rin yung mga makapanood din na video nito, alam nilang this product if it helps or if it really works with you as well. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye!